show you how to use the Desmos calculator in operating on matrices. I'm going to link this matrix calculator in your canvas. So in the previous lessons we have about product of two matrices, I have shared with you this video, and as you can see, the product will have a result of negative 7, 4, 2, and negative 3 for C for the product of A and B, which are actually these matrices. So how do we do multiplication of matrices or any other operation using the matrix calculator on Desmos? So first thing we do is to put A and then just press new matrix. So our A is a 2 by 2 matrix. So you have 2 rows and 2 columns. This one's just 2. So all you have to do is to press it in such a way that 2 will appear and then add. Then all we have to do is to write the numbers correspondingly. So you have 2 and then negative 1 and then 4 and then 5. And all we have to do is to enter. So it means that our A is this matrix. Now we go to matrix B and then enter new matrix. Again, we are doing a 2 by 2 matrix. In any case, you can't add them if they are not the same. So after that, you add it and then write the numbers. Negative 2 and then 1 and then just go ahead and press the cursors and then 3. So that would be your matrix B. So means that in the memory of your calculator, it has this matrix A and it has this matrix B. So all you have to do now is to operate, and it says multiplication. So that would be A times B. And it gives you that answer. As you can see, it's the same as this answer and that answer. So you can actually do all of this, do every operation using this. So supposingly, I would like to find negative 2 multiplied by the sum of A and B. So A plus B. A plus B. Then as you can see, that's the result. And you don't need to actually do anything. But of course, it would still be the same if you're going to do it manually. So whatever operation you have, even if you have this inverse, I'm going to discuss inverse in the future, and the transpose and squaring a matrix, it will show. So if I'm going to like square A square, it gives you that answer. If I'm going to find its inverse, it gives you that answer. That would be the inverse of that function. Of course, I will still have to teach you everything manually before you can do it using a calculator. But help yourself use this matrix calculator, which is linked below this video on your canvas. I warn you though that the matrix calculator does not work on variables. Means that if your matrices involve variables or algebraic expressions, you will not find the answer using the matrix calculator when you're operating on them. That is why it is still important to know how to add, subtract, or multiply matrices using manual method, because the matrix calculator is not programmed doing variables. Even an ordinary calculator cannot do that. And that's it.